All right, so this is a special thing for kitty cats. It's a giant kitty cat litter thing. Just turn it around so you guys can read it. These are the safety tips. We recommend using clumping litter. Please place the product in an area with strong Wi-Fi. Scan for tutorial. So it's got a lot of stuff on there. It's important to read right there, so check it out.
I have to,
Screenshots. Yeah, that's what you need
I
to.
gotta get the, oh, it has a code, QR code.
Yeah, it's got
I
everything.
need to get the litter really quickly.
Look at this.
From the
That comes with it.
thing. Where the hell is it?
And this is the legs, support legs for the aromatic cat litter box, right here. Oh, this looks like it's going to be, this looks more like a project. All right, so those are the legs. Here's your instructions. This, I do believe, is your adapter, your power cable. This is your poop. You put your poop in there when you're done. So you get two of those big giant poop things. We'll set this over here. All right, let's pull this out and let's take a look at it. Woo, there it is. Crazy, huh? Take a gander. There she be. All right. Pull her out. It's heavy. It's heavy. Looks pretty cool though, doesn't it? This is the automatic cat litter machine.
I gotta go grab the litter because they grab on. What's it called?
I think it's got like little wheels or something on it too. Maybe not.
I gotta go grab the litter real quick for yourself.
All right, that's that. All right, let's take a look at this. It looks like the thing that little baby Yoda was traveling in the Mandalorian.
I know.
I'm not quite sure how it works though. We might have to read up on it before we even try it. So it does have like, it's definitely, you got a bunch of buttons down here. You see them? The name of it is Neakasa. And you got a power button, you got a cleaning button, you got all kinds of stuff on here. Now we've got to plug it in somehow. So let's see if we can find the plug-in part. It's got to be somewhere around here. Oh, look, they even show us. It's right there. Okay, so that's that. So where do you want to put this thingamabob?
Where the other one is, but give me a second, because I need to go grab the litter from Walgreens super fast.
Oh, take your time. But anyway, so we got to put it all together. I think this is the mat you set it on. And the instructions are here, the charger. It's got extra, we got to put these on. I guess we could do that right now. We just got to see how we open this. Because I think they're pretty easy to put on. Oh yeah, they're there. So you get 4 of these. These are the legs, right? Let's go ahead and pull them out. One more. All right, let's set that over there. So these are the legs. Now we got to look and see how they, in the picture here, they're like leaning out. So I would imagine they're going to go in like this. You follow me? We might want to just flip it right over and then we can put them all in.
It's called the Neakasa, and it is the highest rated, all around loved, overall pick from any website for cat litter, dealing with self-cleaning and odor, and easy to clean on your own, as well as liked by the cats. So it's open.
So it's number 1 with cats, and it's number 1 with cat owners.
Yes.
That's what you're trying to tell me.
Yes.
All right, let's put the legs on it then. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip it over like this, and just like that, and then I'm just going to get the legs in there. And I think if you look at it, you can see how they go in. You follow me? So there's little latches right there, and then this kind of catches, right? Yeah, see that? So to see the little things, there's one here and here. So you got to kind of get them in like that. Okay, so we'll go with this one first. Slip it in there. That's it. Bam, done. Back up a little bit so you get a better bird's eye view. And then in. And then the ones on the bottom, same way. And last but not least, yeah, I'm done. Now we're in. So now we got our feet on there, and now we're ready just to get some cat litter and put it wherever it's supposed to go. I'm not sure.
I'm gonna grab it right now.
This is all like rubber inside here, and I think it kind of like shakes down in there. And then I think that when you pull it out, there's like a tray here that pulls out, right? I think. Yeah. I think that's how it works. But yeah, we just got to go get the cat litter now and put it in there. And that's it. Yeah. This is the adapter for it. So let's go ahead and open it up. I think we might have opened this up already. No, maybe we didn't. Yeah. So it's pretty simple, right? Just like any 12-volt adapter. Got to take that off of there and undo this. There we go. Save that. All right, let's see how. Oh, yeah, we got lots of cord here. About 6 feet of cord. You gonna put the whole thing out there?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get the door open and let's do it. Here we go. You ready? Here she comes. She got a big giant cat box. Taking it outside, cat lady. Okay. Now we got to get the other part. Here she got it. All right, and this you probably could sell on eBay. You know what I mean? Or on Amazon Prime or something. All right, you gonna just throw that away? Can you do it with 2 hands? Look at her, she's throwing away the cat poop. Oh shit, I got there too late. All right, hey, nice job. Yeah, you should sell this one on Marketplace.
No.
No?
In case she doesn't like it.
Oh, you want to keep it just in case she doesn't like the new one. All right, let's do it. Madison's putting the extension cord in. Here it is. We've got it over here. It's plugged in. And I think it's going to reach. The thing's in the back. I think it might be on the side. Let me see. Yeah, it's on the side. It's on this side. So if you put it in there, I think it'll work. So we want to put this first.
No.
Do you want to take the stickers off? You want to wait on the stickers?
It's the machine first.
Right, so now the question is, can we build it?
No.
Wait a minute, before you plug it in,
I'm
hang
not
on.
plugging it in.
I think we're going to position it this way, and then we got to put the stuff in. But before we do that, we got to pull the tray out. All right, well, so maybe the pad just sits in front, and you just adhere it to the ground with those stickers, and then when you pull out the thing, if any of the stuff gets in it, like the pad's to catch the excess stuff, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you just put it in front of it. Okay. So the next step, I guess, is.
Lift up for 1 second.
What?
Because it goes the other way, the pad, and then you can take the stickers off.
You mean like this?
Yeah.
Do you want to take the stickers off right now? Because you might change your mind about how you want it.
Yeah, okay.
You know? But I think the next step is to pull this out, right? And then this pushes out through the bottom. So smush it out all the way. And then we got to put the cat thing in there, which I believe we've got them over there, right? And then you put the blue part through here. You get 2 of these big rolls. So you did get 2. So she's opening it up. You can see these are small. They're not like regular garbage bags. These are specifically made for this cat thing. So now you've got to find the edges here. All right, let's do the one like you were doing it.
Okay,
so now...
the part where I'm confused is I think that this actually might be the outside because...
I don't think it makes a difference.
It does, because you have to fold it so that it's over the edge.
Just like that.
No.
Look at the cat. All right, did you figure it out?
Kind of, not really.
All right, you're doing a great job. All right, so she's smushing it in. I know. And so now this will just slide under there, apparently. Okay, what do you think? Oh, you got to get that through there. All right, I think that might work. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Hey, all right. She's almost got it done. So she's going to slide that in there. Okay, we got to show them where they got to put this. So we got to lift this up a little bit. You can just kind of grab it like this. All right, hold it up like this for a second. All right, so anyway, here's the port where this goes. It's right there. You see that little X? Got it? All right, so I'm going to put this in. See if they can see it. That's it. All right, so now we're in. Now we can set her down. Okay.
Move the cord.
Okay. All right, you got it? Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Wow, that was an ordeal. All right, now we got to put the stuff in. We have to recycle it once. All right. So she's pressing the power button. Oh, there we go. We're good.
But that doesn't make any sense.
Well,
the
because
TV
you
is plugged in just fine.
well, you must have smushed it in better. You smushed it in better. That's
No,
all.
I didn't touch it.
Hey, look at me, smile. Check it out.
Scoot so I can do this.
All right, wait, we got to let it do its thing first.
I know, but I gotta do the app.
So it rotates, right? Hey, it's rotating. It's a rotator.
Yes.
All right, check it out. Now it's going to finish facing us, I think. Do you remember?
No.
All right, I think it's going to finish facing us. It's almost there.
Okay.
What do you think?
Scoot.
All right, what are you going to do now?
I gotta.
It did that. Aha!
Okay.
We got to put the stuff in. All right, let's get the stuff. There it is. Clump and seal. Oh my gosh, you're strong, man. That thing was heavy for me. I couldn't even lift it. Oh, do you pour it out? You okay? All right, so she's pouring it in. How much do you put in? I don't even know.
That's the thing, is I really don't know.
Like, that seems like a lot. That's good. You kind of covered it all. What do you think? I think that's good. All right, now let's try it. Let's level that bad boy. Let's get the level going. Does your hair get in the way a lot of your videos? Because Jesus, it's in. All right, so it's leveling now. She pressed that level button, the red button, and it's kind of like shaking the stuff around inside there, getting it squared away. So we're just kind of waiting.
It's supposed to automatically level, but it did not automatically level.
Oh, well, maybe it'll do it now. See how it's moving? Look. That's good. Ah, look. Level. All right, Wi-Fi. It's good. That means that we're good. Because I think it's got two things, level and not level. I think that's it. All right, bam, we're in. We're in like Flynn. Spinning around. Check it out. Bam, done. Nope, not yet.
Because it's not near, you're probably in the way of the router too.
Me? What, do you got to get out of the way of the router?
Yeah.
How about now?
No, that doesn't help.
I'm out of the way of the router. I think it's fine.
The face is burning.
We got to get the cat in there.
She won't go in there with you. There.
Kitty, do you have to poop yet? Get the poop in here. You're going to have to get a video of her in it because I won't be able to be here when that happens. And that's it, man. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on cat litter. Peace out. Apparently, we put too much cat poop litter stuff in there. So now we're emptying it with a measuring cup. Doing a great job.
Fuck.
You okay?
Grab me the vacuum.
Is it getting all over you?
Please get me the vacuum.
Anyway, we put a little bit too much cat litter in there, and so we're going to scoop a bunch out. And then I think we're going to be ready to go.